Hi everyone, welcome back to 7-day challenge reading passage with vocabulary, and we are going to discuss again with meanings, synonyms and example sentences. So without any delay, let's start the video. So in our today's video we have passage from book 17, test 1. Passage name is the value of being organized at work. So let's start reading first. Being organized is one of the most effective skills a business person can acquire because when we are organized, we think more clearly, we are in tune with our targets and know how to reach them. Here are my top tips to bring order to your business life. So what they are going to say that if you are organized at workplace, you can work better and reach your targets. So let's move further. Organize your workspace. Don't underestimate time lost or stress caused from an inefficient working environment. To restore order, cut down documents and stationery to the bare essential. Bare essential that you use very rarely. Be ruthless and remove anything that doesn't directly serve a function in your day-to-day activity. One or two carefully selected photos to make your desk feel like home are fine, but avoid too many. So here we have a word that we are going to discuss, ruthless, with meaning and example sentences. Okay, create locations where you will keep all your work materials to make retrieval easy, and do this logically based on where you tend to use the item. For example, store spare copy paper near the printer, move outside your immediate reach anything you use infrequently. This one is really good word. Always return items once you have used them so they will be where you expect them next time. So we are going to discuss these three words from this passage. Let's move further. Frustration ensues when you are searching for a client proposal but it is buried among random papers. Eliminate desktop kiosks by using trays, magazine files or whatever you fancy, and add clear labels such as in, out, for action, current project or other relevant categories. So here we have word kiosk. Be brutally honest about what you must keep. Studies suggest that 80% of what we file is never assessed again. Ask, do I know of a tax or legal requirement for retaining it? Why would this be important to me in the future? Avoid miscellaneous as a category. You wouldn't remember what's in there. Effective planning. Plan your work. Work your plan. Time spent planning saves untold hours in execution. Implementing regular planning strategies will sharpen your focus, thereby keeping you on track with your work. Start planning today for tomorrow near the close of each workday. Implementing a 10 to 15 morning routine to wrap up loose ends and prioritize key tasks. A good plan for tomorrow allows you to clear your head and enjoy your evening. Once a week, ring fence of 60 to 90-minute appointment with yourself for larger scale planning. Use the time to do research or any of the thinking that normally takes a back seat. So this is for all today's video, and we are going to discuss now every word that we highlight in passage with the meaning and synonyms and example sentence as well. So let's start. First word we have ruthless, which is an adjective having or showing no pity or compassion for others. Synonyms are merciless, cruel, pitiless. For example, the business leader's ruthless approach to competition left many of his rivals bankrupt as he prioritized success over empathy. Next word, retrieval, which is a noun to getting something back or recovering information, data or objects that were previously lost or stored, forgotten. Synonyms are recovery, recollection, repossession, reclamation, restoration, or recapture. For example, the files were retrieved from the computer. He was able to retrieve the document. Infrequently, which is an adverb, not often or rarely. Synonyms are rarely, seldom, occasionally, hardly ever. A storage area for infrequently used items. So next we have chaos, which means complete disorder or confusion. Synonyms are disorder, confusion, disarray, or disorganization. So you can use a disorganization in your writing exam instead of chaos, that is more formal word. For example, the sudden power outage caused chaos in the city with traffic jams, disrupted communication, and people scrambling to find alternative sources of light. Execution, which is a noun, the act of carrying out or putting into effect or plan, order, or of course or course of action. Sorry. Synonyms are implementation, carrying out, accomplishment, performance, fulfillment. For example, the success of project depended on the precise execution of each step in the plan. So this is all for today's video, and I am going to share with you all the words that we used in that we learned in 6 days in the next video, and I will try to share PDF as well if I can. Otherwise I will share a full video of all words in one. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next videos and tips and tricks for IELTS exam. Good luck for your preparation, and see you in the next video. Thank you.